Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So there's some videos floating around of what you see right here. Now, this is something I consider more of a UAP than a UFO. I don't know what this is. I'm going to play it like twice and then kind of zoom in on it so you guys can see this. And I do have some clips that have audio behind it too. I have no idea what to make of this. If anyone's seen this before, they know kind of what this is. It looks like it's possibly three objects with a small object in front of it and then two other objects following it. Well, let me play the audio behind this real quick.
No. Non so cosa sia però.
Tipo una cosa trainata.
Now here's going to be two more short clips. Here's a clip here, and apparently they're shot in different locations. I didn't even get the locations they were shot at, but it seems like they're seeing this same UAP in different areas. And then there's one with some English. So let me let this one with English play real quick.
What is that? I'm so confused.
Looks like there's a... I can't focus on it.
I can't either.
What is that?
It has some radar jamming. And look, there's something hovering over the cloud.
Yeah.
There is something up above it, you're right.
What was that line?
So as I said, I don't know what this is, but I wanted to present this to you all to get your feedback on this. There's one more clip I'm going to play in just a minute, and I'll put the captions up for that too so you guys can kind of understand what they're saying. But I don't know what to make of this. It still looks like it's three objects, the object in front, and it's two objects following it. But let me play this other one, and then I'll be back in just a minute.
Oh, wow.
That's a UFO.
Look, it's separating from itself. What the hell is that?
That's a UFO.
It's shooting out some sort of...
Sound wave.
What is that? Like some sort of like pulse energy or something. Like...
So same thing with this one. It's a little bit clearer, but you clearly see three objects there. It looks like that object is trying to fly into that ring of some sort, but I don't know what to make about this, guys. I wanted to present this to you. So put it down in the comments below what you think about this. Here's going to be one more, but it's in a different language. I couldn't get it translated, but let me let this other one play real quick.
No, Giovanni, questa è una cosa incredibile, Giova. Ma io sto filmando, ma perché qualcosa è trasparente.
So regardless, in all these clips, you hear the excitement in everyone's voice. So put your comments down below. Short video today, but I wanted to present this to you guys. And always don't forget to like, subscribe, stay tuned for the next videos. Always, I appreciate you guys watching.